Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, we'll see the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with Nifty first. So as you can see here, Nifty today opened at this levels around this 16,537 levels. So if we see the chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty both, so both were today were not able to perform and both were weak. One of the factors for Nifty was like IT sectors were quite weak, and almost we can see like in the major IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infi, they were almost down by more than 2 to 3%, which was one of the major reasons for Nifty to break down. But in spite of that, we didn't expect that Bank Nifty will also show such a weak strength, but that I will discuss when I'll show the chart for Bank Nifty. But talking about the Nifty, as we can see, after opening, it didn't able to sustain on this level, which was I discussed yesterday, that is 16, we can say 550 levels, which was immediate resistance for Nifty, and it started coming down from this levels, and it almost closed around this 600 483 levels. So important thing to notice for Nifty tomorrow, if Nifty opens almost flat, we need to see if Nifty is breaking 16,400 level. So that will be an important level for Nifty, because as you can see here, around this point, around 28th of July, there is a gap which is created, which needs to be filled. So might be Nifty can break down below this level, or might be possible that it can take a support from here and we can see a pullback from this area. So this zone will be important for Nifty for tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on 16,400 level for Nifty to break. If it breaks more than this, then we can see more sell off in Nifty. Similarly, talking on the upper side, so for upper side, it has still my this 16,760 levels remains valid. But if you talk about the immediate resistance, I would not say I'm suggesting any immediate resistance, because almost from this level Nifty we can see it has become weak. So until and unless Nifty crosses this level, we cannot see a strong momentum in Nifty. So this is the level for Nifty. Now if I talk about Bank Nifty, so as I mentioned, so Bank Nifty, almost Nifty IT sectors were weak, but Bank Nifty we hoped that might be we can get a good strength in Bank Nifty up. But as you can see, immediately after opening, Bank Nifty came down, and after that we didn't see any time that Bank Nifty was able to cross 36,600 level, which was a immediate resistance for Bank Nifty, and it started coming down. One of the factors were, yes, the major banks were down. Axis Bank results came out yesterday, and it has impacted a lot. We could see almost more than 3.5% down in Axis Bank. And apart from this, if we talk about ICICI as well, and if we talk about Kotak Bank, so mostly Axis Bank and Kotak Bank were down, and so we couldn't see Bank Nifty sustaining about 36,600 levels, and it started coming down. So important point to notice for tomorrow is, if Bank Nifty is able to break this level, that is 36,300 level, what I am expecting tomorrow, we can see a more sell off in Bank Nifty, and it can go to 36,000 level. That's what it can show. But as you can see today, Bank Nifty almost have been able to sustain at this level, and as you can see here as well, we have a gap is there. So tomorrow's opening will be important. If we open below this level, then we can see more sell off in Bank Nifty. On the upper hand side, similarly, 36,600 will be a major level for Bank Nifty to cross before we can see 36,800 and then 37,000 touching as the major for this month expiry. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like, you can subscribe to the channel and like this video as well. Thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.